Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now today's video we're going to be unboxing something very special. Now in the last unboxing video I did a few days ago, you would have seen I think I had 3 parcels in that video, and I opened one, so we had 2 left. But since filming that, we've got some more mail come in. So anyone that sent me anything, if you've not seen me unbox it yet, then stay tuned because it will be coming very, very soon. Now this one I found quite interesting. This one actually arrived today and the postage was £3.65. Look at that. Just found that quite interesting. But yeah, there we go. That is a nice little pile of stuff now building up. Just gonna have a quick sip of my drink. Really nice. It's a new whiskey I'm trying. It's quite dark brown. I don't know where I put the bottle, but yeah, I will show you in another video. But yeah, it's quite a dark looking whiskey, but it does taste quite nice. But yeah, let's get straight into the video. Now today's video we're going to be doing this parcel here. Make a little bit of space, and this is one I've been really looking forward to unboxing, because I have seen what this looks like and I know what's inside, but I haven't seen it in the hand. So let's get straight into it. Now I believe there's actually still some of these available for sale, and this is something that someone in the community has sent me to showcase. I haven't actually purchased it yet, so I'm going to be sending this back. But to be honest, it's probably going to end up staying with me, because once you see how it looks, you'll see why it's going to be very hard for me to send this back. Oh, there's a few bits and pieces in the bottom there. Let's put that to one side. Got a couple of bits there. Oh, we got some poker chips as well. Lovely jubbly. That gives it away straight away who it's from. But this is actually from GSH, Gold Silver Hunter. Those of you in Stacker Social will know who Gold Silver Hunter is. He pours some absolutely incredible pieces. He mainly pours non-precious metals at the moment. He's pouring copper, zinc, aluminium, tin. Any I've missed? I think that's it. So yeah, he hasn't actually poured silver yet, but he pours some absolutely huge things. And the beauty is, because he's not pouring using precious metals, it makes some of these really massive pieces a lot more affordable. Because these pieces, including the one I'm about to showcase in a minute, if they were made from silver or gold or precious metals, it would be near impossible for many of us to be able to actually pick something of this size up. Really liking these stickers and poker chips. And we've actually got, we've got a note here as well. Lovely jubbly. So 365, here you go, sir. The Stackers Social Mega Round. 4 have gone, so 6 left for unboxing. Have also enclosed a new limited poker chip for you. These will be going out slowly over the next couple of months to those that have helped me along the way. And also just a bog standard one for you. All the best, GSH. So there we go. So there's only 6 of these left for sale. Like I said, I'm probably going to end up picking this one up myself. So that will leave 5 of these left available. And I do believe he's got a marketplace listing on Stacker Social. So if you're interested in picking one of these up, head into Stacker Social, head into the marketplace in there. Wow, look, already it looks incredible. Look at that. Wow. But yeah, as I was saying, I believe there's a post within the marketplace in Stacker Social. So if you're interested in picking one of these up, then head in there. Wow. Yeah, this is staying with me. 110%. This is staying with me. Wow. Now this is made from copper. It is really heavy. You can see it says Stacker Social around the top. established in 2023. You've got a man there next to a safe. You've got some silver or gold bars there, some coins stacked in the back. You've got the 2 most used emoji within Stacker Social. This is how everyone responds to everyone's good morning messages every single day, with a coffee cup emoji and a handshake. We've also got a maple leaf design here. And then we've got a Britannia on this side. And that has come out incredibly well. Feels so good in the hand. I'm just going to have a look at my other phone because I did write down some stats just to give you some perspective of the size and weight of this. So this weighs just under 2 kilograms of copper. So it's between 1.7 and 1.8 kilos. So yeah, basically just under 2 kilograms of copper. Now, like I said, there's about 5 of these left. There would have been 6, but I'm going to be keeping hold of this one. So there's going to be 5 left for sale. That's unless any have sold in between me unboxing this. So there might actually be less available. You'll have to have a little look in Stacker Social. And this is round about 20 centimeters, I believe between 18 and 20 centimeters diameter. So huge piece, as you can tell. Absolutely stunning piece. And I don't even know how I'm going to be able to showcase this because I've got a few pieces now from GSH, and every single one of the pieces he has produced is huge. So it's really, really hard for me to display in any of my backdrops because it's such a large piece. So yeah, although I've actually got quite a lot of GSH pours in my collection, a lot of them are not in my regular backdrops that you see me filming in. But yeah, I'm going to have to try and find a way of displaying this because this is, yeah, incredible. Absolutely incredible. So GSH, thank you very much, my friend, for sending this across for me to unbox and showcase on the channel. So cool. Just feeling it and playing around with it is just incredible. Yeah, absolutely incredible piece of work. So yeah, I wasn't meant to be buying any more metals this year, but things like this come along and yeah, just got to have it in the collection. Also, it helps support a pourer within the community. I know they've been given a bit of a hard time over the last few weeks, so it is nice to, yeah, show some support and pick up some of their work to show that although there's a handful of people out there that don't necessarily like poured silver or poured anything, there are many of us within the community that appreciate the hard work and effort and time it takes to produce something like this. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I am going to actually film another video straight away unboxing something else from here, so stay tuned for that video and that will be out within the next couple of days. So like I said, head over to Stacker Social if you want to grab one of these if there's any left. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Stacker's Social is open, welcoming, and completely free to join. If you're into stacking, collecting, learning, sharing pickups, or just talking with like-minded people around the world, this is your place. Make lifelong friends in this amazing community, built for stackers by stackers. Bring your questions, your experience, or your curiosity, and come be part of the conversation. Join Stacker's Social today. It's free. Link in the description.